Have you been seeing PLR, white label, and MRR, which is master resale rights, all over the internet, and you are confused on the licensing rights and what you can do? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down for you, along with examples, what each one is and how you can use this content. Okay. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how you can turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, as well as service providers. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now let's get into it. Now, first off, before we get into it, okay, this video is brought to you by Substack. Okay, well, my Substack. If you guys don't know, I am publishing a book every single month. Matter of fact, one of my books as of today has launched today, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But every day I am updating my Substack. Welcome. I have 2 paid subscribers now, and you can come on and join. You can join for free, but with the free option, you'll get an update once a week. But with the pay option, you get every single day. You get the options every single day. So just $5 a month. You can come and join. Just go to the link in my description at sharlritadeloatch.com/Substack. I'm giving you what I am doing, how much money I am making, how I'm writing my book. So every day it is a update for you to not only follow along, but to learn a thing or two as well. So I am really giving some deep dive strategy on how I'm launching my book, the ups, the downs, and all the things in between. Okay, so you come and join, just $5 a month. You can join, or you can pay the $60 for the entire year. All right, so let's get into today's content. First of all, we're going to talk about what is PLR. And I know some of you may be new to my channel, but I talk a lot about PLR. But just in case you do not know, PLR stands for private label rights. Now, when I explain things, I kind of like to break it down in like for a fifth grader. So, though I'm not talking to you like you are a fifth grader, but sometimes you have to break things down so that it's more plain. Okay. So we're gonna take Melissa, and I have a real life example of a Melissa. But Melissa is a writer. So Melissa decides, hey, you know what? Since I love to write on different topics, I'm going to write a whole bunch of blog posts, and then I'm going to put them up for sale on my website. And those that download or purchase my blog posts, they can take my blog posts that I've written, and they can put it on their own website so they can make changes to it. They can use it for their own brand. Okay. It's kind of like having a ghostwriter in your pocket. Think about PLR as such. That's what PLR is. Okay. Now, with PLR, again, it can come in different type of facets. So you can buy blog posts, you can buy courses, you can buy planners, you can buy digital products, you can buy all sorts of PLR products. Okay, so it's not limited. You can buy all sorts of them. Okay, so that's what PLR is. Now, let's go over here. I want to give you an example. Okay, so this is a PLR website called Coach Glue, and Melissa is actually one of the creators of this. That's why I use her as an example. So Melissa and what's my girl name? Melissa and Nicole. Okay. So this is Melissa at the top. This is Nicole. Okay. So Melissa and Nicole has this website called Coach Glue. They have come together and they have created courses, workshops, business planner, video scripts. They have free gifts in here for coaches. So you will go in here and you will look to see what they have for sale. So they created it all for you, so you don't have to. All right. So if you are, you can purchase this workshop. I think this is a course right here called Six Figures from Purpose, how to become a money-making business coach with heart. Okay. So this your alley. Remember, you only purchase PLR that's going to align with your brand and what you're already teaching. We're not trying to buy things that we're not teaching. If you're not teaching about business coaches, like I wouldn't purchase this. I'm not technically a business coach. Okay. So I would not purchase this because well, I probably would. It kind of aligns with me just a little bit. I would have to make significant changes to it. But if you are a business coach, if this aligns with you, then you can purchase this. You can use this course for your brand. Okay. You, of course, you will want to change it up, but they give all sorts of things that you can do with this course. That's what I love about Melissa and Nicole, because they really, really break everything down. You get 4 lessons. Most of all of their courses are 4 lessons, along with workbooks to go along with them as well. And I think you also get freebies. So if you want to, I want to see if I can find it. Okay, you get 5 email templates to promote your live stream training. So if you want to do like a live stream training where you are, getting people on your live stream or your webinar, and then you can introduce them to the course, you get that. You get the actual freebie, you get the copy for your landing page. So you get it all when it comes to launching your course. You get the 5 blog posts as well. So you get all of that. So this is what PLR will look like. Okay, you can only use it for your business and your brand. All right. So we clear. We know what PLR is, right? I think we're all on the same page. We know what PLR is. Okay. So let's go to the next thing. But before we do, here's the book right here that I was talking about. This is my second book in my Power Publishing Secrets. I'm going to say email course. Power Publishing Secrets book series. So I'm writing a book series called Power Publishing Secrets. This is book number 2, called The Email Marketing Blueprint. This is the email marketing blueprint for nonfiction authors. As of right now, as of today, which is April the 30th, 2024, you can grab the digital copy for free. Yep, you can grab the digital copy for free. So if you're listening to this, go get your copy. It's absolutely for free for you. And I can't wait for you to dive in. It's only like 45 pages, so it's not going to take you long to read, if that. And you get a free gift in there as well. Okay, so it comes with a free workbook. So make sure that you go in and grab that. And I can't forget about the first baby in the series is Power Publishing Secrets: How to Write Your Book Fast. You can go grab that as well. Okay, so I'm going to upload the second book in a paperback probably later today or tomorrow. But you can get this one in the ebook in a paperback. Okay, so let's get back into it. All right, so what is MRR? Master Resale Rights. Okay, master resale rights is, let's say, for instance, let's go back. Let's say Nicole. So Nicole decided to do the same thing as Melissa. She decided to create some blog posts. So she said, I'm going to create these blog posts. I like to create these blog posts. However, she decides to put a license on it where, of course, like PLR, you can buy it, but she's going to put a little extra on hers. So hers going to be a little extra. So not only can you buy it, but you can also sell it to other people for them to buy it. Okay. So basically you're transferring the license over and over again. All right. To me, it's like a pyramid. everybody's transferring the same license. Y'all know how I feel about master resale rights, but that's neither here nor there. Okay. So that's essentially what it is. Nicole is like, I'm gonna give you a little extra. But here's the thing, here's the caveat. It's not like PLR. You can't change it. So whatever Nicole decides to name her course, How to Write Your Book Fast, everybody that sells this course has to sell it as How to Write Your Book Fast. So you can't change to it, but you can add to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example, of course. There's a young lady that I follow named Amber. She is on YouTube. Okay, Amber Shanice. She does a great job with her YouTube, but she's into this digital marketing or digital wealth academy. I guess this is the course that's being sold. Okay, this is like one of the 3 or 4 courses that I found that are being sold. Okay, so she promotes this course here on her YouTube channel, right? So this course is already created by someone else, and it tells you everything that it comes with. And then she also gives you money receipts of her selling this course. So basically, she's reselling the course for $497. And that's the thing too, is with these resale master resale right courses, Not only can you not change the name, but everybody has to sell it at the same price. So if the owner, if Nicole said, "Hey, I want everybody has to sell this at 497," everybody has to sell it at 497. Okay. Now, of course, you can add some, you can add some one-time offers like Amber did. She has a 30-day Instagram strategy for $77. That's a one-time offer, so you can get that. So she's added to it. So not only is she selling the course that she did not have to create, all right, she did not have to create, just like PLR. You don't have to create anything. You're just selling it, right? So this is what she is doing. So when you here's what she explains what master resale, right? So you gain instant access to the comprehensive course and step into the world of digital marketing like a boss. With our master resale rights, you'll enjoy 100% ownership of the course content, giving you the power to resell it and pocket all of the profits. Okay. Plus, you'll become a part of a vibrant community where you'll receive ongoing support and guidance. And the best part, you get lifetime updates, ensuring you stay ahead of the game in this ever evolving industry. Okay. So you can buy this course. Yes, you can pocket all 100% of the profits. You will enjoy 100% ownership of the course content. So that means, again, whatever's being taught in this course, you don't have to make it. You could just sell it as is. Okay. Y'all know how I feel about this. I did a video on it, but this is how it's sold. Okay. And again, so she shows how much money she has made, some of her students have made just from selling the course. Okay. So that's what they're basically doing, they're selling the course. All right. So that's master resale rights. So everybody understand? Are we on the same page when it comes to master resale rights? And there are pros and cons to all of this. Okay, I'll talk about that in just a moment. There are pros and cons to all of this. It's just a matter of you making your own decision. Okay. All right, so let's go into white label. What is white label? Okay, this question came up a lot because my friend Evelyn, she launched 3 courses that she's selling with white label, basically like a white label license. And I'm going to explain to you what white label is. Okay, so white label is a way different from PLR and master resale rights. How now it's no different from what you do in the beginning. Evelyn created 3 courses. Okay. But not only has she created those 3 courses, she has taught from those 3 courses, meaning she created them from her. This is her framework. Okay. So this is her framework. She did not take it from anybody else. She created these courses years ago, and she has taught from these workshops years ago. Okay, for years she's always taught from these 3 particular workshops. She was getting a lot of people that's asking her, "Wow, I love your course. I love how you break this down. How can I teach this to my students?" Okay. So Evelyn decided to launch, which prompted me doing this video. She launched 3 courses for $2.99. Like, yes, $2.99, where she is testing it out. Here's the difference with white label. Evelyn created it. Not only did she create it, but she teaches from it. That means she's actively selling it. Okay. So this is not something that she just made up because she wanted to, in which Evelyn has a PLR site as well. I talk about it all the time, called the Secret Weapon PLR. Okay. That's digital products that you get that are already created. But again, the difference is Evelyn created the courses, but she taught it. That means it's her framework. It's like look at it like trademark. It's like she's taking her trademark information, stuff that she has a proven record. She has taught it for years, and now what she's doing is she is allowing you to teach from her stuff. Okay, let me show you. Because I saw I had to get it, so I did get them. Of course, I think these are value, but I also believe that too. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so these is the white label lessons. Okay, so Heavy reminder, the course is not coming with master resale rights. That means I cannot take Evelyn's course and then tell my students, hey, you can sell this course too. You can teach from this course. No, you can't do that. Okay. So these are her most popular signature trainings, where she is giving us the opportunity where you can use the trainings as a template for your own business. You can customize it, you can edit everything to fully fit your vision and needs. You can sell many offers, courses, memberships, workshops, coaching programs that include the training and resources in one form or another. Still, you cannot resell them as your own white label training and templates, okay? Even if you make major changes. So I cannot take this again and sell it like master resale rights. I can't say, hey, I got this training right here called the even if let's say I took her trainings, and even if I re-record it, which you're gonna have to record if you want to record it, right? So even if I recorded it, okay, I still can't say to my students, hey, you can have this course. No, this is white label. That's the difference. Okay. So I hope that I broke this down for you so that you can understand what the difference between all three are, because you're going to see them a lot. We already see PLR a lot, right? We see master resale rights, but you need to know what you can do and what you can't do. There are pros and cons to all of it. Okay. And I know it's confusing, but I wanted to make sure I break it down so that it is, plain. So you'll know what to do when you see all these things. But I like this white label one. I love PLR, of course, but I really like this white label one because if you are a person that has created your own frameworks, this is a thing like if you guys know John Maxwell, he did white label with his, I think it's like with the speaker, I think it's like a speaker, of course, where he has the certifications. When they certify you to be a John Maxwell trainer, it's white label. He's just taking his framework and now he's allowing other people to teach from his framework. That's next level. So the white label, when you see someone, putting out courses and things that are white label, or even if it's like more so in the business, that's because they're on another level. Okay, so they're on that level where I want people to buy my framework, my thought process, what I'm doing. So that's next level. Okay, that's next level. But you can do this. Okay, you can do this if your business is set up that way to do it. Of course, you want to have a proven track record when it comes to your white label courses. You want testimonials, students that have actually taken this workshop, because you want it to be proven for someone to buy it. For someone to buy it, they want to say, okay, you know what? Since it worked for your students, it should work for my students. So it's student to student with work with white label. Okay, it's student to student. Okay. So I hope that this explained and I made it plain for you so that you can understand and know what the differences are. There are pros and cons to all of it. You have to see where one fits. Okay. I'm not a fan of the master resale rights for many reasons. I am a fan of the PLR for many reasons. And now I'm grasping this white label. I really, really like that as a way to really up level your business and take you basically are taking your trademark or your proprietary information and you allowing other people to teach from it. To me, that expands, that elevates. We use the word elevate. That elevates your brand to a whole different level. Okay, so hope this helped you. I put all of the links inside the description that I mentioned in today's video. Don't forget to come on over and join my daily newsletter where I send 3 quick and valuable resources that are going to help you to elevate your digital publishing business. And I send those Monday through Friday at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We actually hit 100 yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. We hit 100. 100 newsletters have been sent out. So I am just so excited, ready for the next 100 to go. Okay. Until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.